that it went on well.
Extremely well, but the children, they cry when the father has to leave. The respondent has withdrawn 3 crore 15 lakhs in the span of 1 year, all supported by bank, not over. I'm paying 1,35,000 rupees towards rent every month, 1 lakh towards educational expenses every month. Over and above, my salary is 3.9 take home salary.
As he says, my lord, there may be money in my account in fixed deposit in the name of kept for the children, my lord. But he has to give something at least on monthly to monthly basis, my lord. But he wanted to meet
Petitioner.
Appearing with the respondent, my lord.
I kindly recall this is a case where the father had not seen the children for a year and a half. The Lord was pleased to make an arrangement half an hour every day, and then thereafter for 2 hours over the weekend. Lord, for once, my Lord, I have no submissions to make except if my Lord permits me. There's a video of about 70 seconds, if your Lordship would kindly. Lord, the children, how they interacted with the father on the minute they saw the father. Lord, I have no arguments to address.
Take it, we'll
Yes.
take it from you that it went on well.
Extremely well, but the children, Lord, they cry when the father has to leave. Despite seeing him after a year and a half, Lord, December 2022 was the last interaction.
What was the order last time?
My lord,
Counsel the petition father submits and the father undertakes to pay the maintenance
Yes.
regarding the quantum of maintenance. He'll submit before the court on 7/8.
Yes, Lord,
What are your submissions on
yes,
that?
the instructions are this, my Lord. The respondent has withdrawn 3 crore 15 lakhs in the span of 1 year, all supported by bank statements, my Lord. I have all the documents with me. Notwithstanding, the father is paying 12 lakhs, my Lord, per annum towards school fees alone for both the children, apart from 1,35,000 rupees per month towards the respondent's
12
rent.
crores per annum to the school fees.
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs for both, 7.5 lakhs for the son, 4.5 lakhs for the daughter. School fees being paid. 1,35,000 rupees per month is the rent that's being paid towards the respondent, the children's residence.
No, that is done. Then what about the
Lord,
maintenance?
my Lord, Lord, I will make this statement, my Lord. If it appeals to the court, my Lord, about 15 to 20,000 rupees per month, I will pay over and above what I'm already paying.
15 and 15.
15 or 20,000 rupees per month, not over. I'm paying 1,35,000 rupees towards rent every month, 1 lakh towards educational expenses every month. Over and above, my salary is 3.9 take home salary. I'm staying in a rented place myself.
What is the rent of your place?
65,000. I'm staying in a 3-bedroom apartment, 65,000 rupees. I will place all the documents on record.
well,
But I have not.
I'm only trying to understand so that some interim arrangement
Yes.
before passing a final order. Some amount he'll pay. That's what I'm just asking him. So
Good.
no order will be passed.
15 to 20,000 rupees a month, my Lord, pending decision on further decision. Lord, I'm paying close to about 2,35,000 rupees a month is what I'm already paying. And she had, my Lord, bank statement 3 crore 15 lakh rupees. 44,000 rupees comes as interest from to a joint FD that's already frozen by the bank. Apart from that, my Lord, I have bank statements that the affidavit of assets and liabilities filed by the wife before the domestic violence court. 24 lakhs she has received, my Lord, in a span of 12 months. Her own bank statement.
Lord, we'll be able to show, my lord, that it is my own money which I had loaned, which he has returned. And we will be able to show.
So it's not a person without means. 3 crore 15 lakh rupees. my
Question is not person about means, my lord. There is, as he says, my lord, there may be money in my account in fixed deposit in the name of kept for the children, my lord. But he has to give something at least on monthly to monthly basis, my lord. But he wanted to meet
No,
the children.
He says he's paying 2.5 lakhs per month.
To whom?
1.5 lakh for the rent,
135, yes.
175 for the rent.
135.
No, what he was saying, that's
Okay.
what. Now we have to see what is his, the salary or what is his income?
Yes.
And now he's paying and 12 lakhs per annum to the children.
Before there was any dispute between the.
No, 12 lakhs towards the school fees.
No,
So
not
that is
12
one
lakhs.
lakh.
it's
not 12
it's not exactly 12 lakhs, my lord.
Not 12 lakhs.
They may produce the documents.
I have receipts. Here.
That clearly shows he's a man of means, my lord. He's saying, I have only 3 lakh rupees per monthly salary.
No, let
Can
him
he,
pay.
my lord, sustain with this?
Fees, nobody can generate.
No,
What they have
he may not be
taken-
generating that. What I'm saying
If
is,
it is, no, what I'm saying is 1 lakh on that, and 1.75 or 1.35 for the rent. So as of now, he's paying 2.35. The court is not suggesting that because he's paying that he need not pay the maintenance.
Correct.
So he's paying 2.35. So for pay, his income should be somewhere around 5 lakhs at
According
least.
to us, it's about 8 to 10 lakhs.
Then only he can ask something else to be. So what is the material placed before the trial court
We'll show that.
with regard to that?
We'll show that.
So basing on that, we will.
We'll show that. And he himself has made an admission there that he's depositing in the children's name 1.5 lakh rupees per month for their college education. Today, what will happen? They don't have anything to eat. Why doesn't he give that?
Now, may I make this request, my lord.
He's meeting the children every day.
That arrangement
No,
came
no,
to
no.
an end yesterday. So this
No, no,
week,
we'll continue.
I don't want, my lord, I understand.
We'll continue, sir.
No, my request is this. I stay in Hebbal. She stays in near
No,
White.
no, with the expression the senior counsel, Mr. Arun Govindra has thought that it won't happen. Yes.
Lord, my request is this. I stay in Hebbal and Lord, she stays in Whitefield. Lord, weekends, if I can go pick up the children on Saturday evening and drop them back on Sunday evening, Lord, for the next 2 weekends, and thereafter the matter could be taken up. I will also ask him, Lord, how much more he can come up with towards children's maintenance. 2.3 from Lord is not
Suddenly,
disputed.
no, that bargain can't be.
No, it's not a bargain.
Some parity.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
What
No,
is
the
working,
children
let
are
it
not
work.
missing me. No, if your lordship sees it's a 1 minute video. If the lordship sees that video, the lordship will understand, my lord, the bond that the children have with the father. What is being portrayed before court is that I am some monster who beats up my own children. My children don't want to see my face. They're seeing me after 1.5
So
years.
by this order,
Yes.
you're meeting the father can meet the children between 7.
Half an hour every day.
The clubhouse or the apartment,
Yes.
then he can meet the children from 4 PM to 6 PM in
Weekend.
the clubhouse on, that is on the weekend.
Weekend.
No, let it
No.
continue for another week.
For one more week.
Then
I come all the way not from, at least I could get.
No, but you're having, see, 2 weeks,
Yes.
2 hours. No, day to day, if you don't want, okay, then that
Can we
week,
increase on Saturday,
No, no.
Sunday, at least I have holiday.
No, no,
instead of
what
traveling
you
every
do,
day.
instead of
four
every
hours
day,
Saturday, Sunday.
4 hours on Saturday.
every day, then the weekend will increase it.
4 hours on Saturday, Sunday. Mother is
4 hours on Saturday, Sunday means each.
2 hours or 4
Four,
hours.
3 to 7 Saturday, 3 to 7 Sunday. That's
Hmm.
okay.
But this.
Because
3 to 7.
Okay, why to-
But the lordship's order specifies that the mother should not be around.
She was not there.
Yes, she was not there. She was not. Yes, she was not there. She was not.
Then why?
No,
That's what
Let
it
that
is.
continues on.
No, whether it is happening, this is what.
Sorry,
this is
I
all
apologize. My apologies.
31/7/2024, this court passed an order whereby permitting the father to exercise the visitation rights and also ask the father to come out with the maintenance that he'll pay to the wife and the children. Considering all this court is passing the following order. 1, the father can meet the children on Saturday and Sunday between 3 to 7 in the clubhouse. 14th of August, the wife shall file all the documents pertaining to pertaining to the husband's income and all, and a copy shall be served on the council. And by the date of hearing, if any objections, the same shall be filed.
Obliged.